Hey guys, I'm showing you this Syma remote control helicopter. This is a S52H military transport RC helicopter with altitude hold. So this is a one key takeoff or landing and a LED light with a low battery reminder. This is army helicopter toy for the kids and fans. So this comes in a nice secure box. This is the accessory kit. So you need some time to get everything out, and this is properly secured here. So once I take out everything, you can see this is the helicopter that is really nice and looks like a military helicopter. This is the accessory things that comes with this box. And as you can see, this have the screwdriver here that you can use to open this remote and add in the batteries. So need to be careful with this packing. Wires and everything requires 4 AAA batteries that need to be put in the remote. Once I added this, just close in the screw and it's ready to go. Now I can just put in the button and see if it's connected well. So this is a charging port here. So I will just charge this chopper. Once charged, you can just on this on and off button. Once the light is on, you can just pair it with this remote by pressing this button up and down. Once connected, both the lights will be solid. So now you can see this start working, and I need to just take it out for the demo. So I'm just putting it outside. Hopefully you can see it clearly and then see the effect. So it's flying really well. The remote control is actually controlling it up and down and side and stuff. So speed is nice, it's fast, and it's really working well and fun for the kids or even for the adults. Hope you enjoy this.